What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to increase even the maximum speed of 28 km per hour on Ninebot Max G30. You need to install the custom firmware. I will show you in this video how to do it very fastly, easily, and you can use your scooter on the maximum potential, maximum speed. So actually on the link in the description below you can find the previous video where I unlocked my scooter and changed the serial number to the US. So the maximum speed right now is 28 km per hour in a speed mode. So as you see, it's driving fast and well. And today I will show you how to increase even this speed. So what you need to download is the ScooterHacking utility app here. That's how it looks like. ScooterHacking utility, open the app and go to, it's already connected for me. Okay, let me disconnect and show you the first time. You see a scooter here, Max G30, click connect, then click power button one time to connect. So your scooter is connected. Go to Flash and install update software from ScooterHacking firmware. Let's use the latest version. So click on it, click start flashing. And the flashing is started, so it's in starting the ScooterHacking firmware to DRV. Actually, I've got already unlocked version, so you can install any custom firmware, but this is as an example here. Let's wait. It's actually taken less than 1 minute to install the ScooterHacking firmware, and you can fully customize your scooter. You can increase the speed, you can increase and adjust how fast it goes and how fast it's accelerating, and many other advanced settings available in this version. Okay, so performing post-flash operation, and you see 95, so I guess it's battery now. Not a kilometer per hour. You can also even customize this. Okay, success, click done. Go to config here, and after the update, as you see, it's not moving. You need to do some basic setup. So the speed limit, it's actually off. Let's keep it off. Build the curve here. Curve we also can keep. Acceleration boost. We can build our own like speed-based curve. The maximum power, let's set to 35, for example. And also need to put motor start speed to 0. Then put to speed limit 100 km per hour. Let's put 50, for example. Maximum power, let's put 40 amperes for now. Let's check what they propose. Let's keep 40. Try it out. As you see, 29. Let's put maximum power to 60 ampere hour, for example. Try again. So 29 is the limit as for now. So using this you can do much more settings. In case you're interested, just leave a comment below. I will provide more information. As for now, you can reach even more. You can reach 29, 30 even kilometers per hour in some cases using this custom firmware. And actually that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.